On today's episode, we're installing our new aluminum framing kit. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Matt here for AVC and welcome back to the shop. Today we are installing our aluminum framing kit in this medium roof 148 long body van. This kit was designed for anybody installing any wall kit in any medium or high roof Ford Transit. Behind me you can see we already have it installed on the driver's side wall, but let's take a deeper dive and look at each individual component. The aluminum framing kit was designed as feedback from our customers because of the expense of our skeleton framing kit. So the skeleton framing kit is the large bolt-in setup that you can bolt all of your walls in. You don't have to put any screws in, anything like that. It's a very clean way to install your wall kit. But some folks wanted something that solves a similar problem while still being affordable. So we've designed this. This is kind of our bare bones kit, and it's just an aluminum framing kit. So it's not designed to bolt your panels in, anything like that. It doesn't line up with the body holes. There's a couple holes here for alignment, but we are gonna screw this kit into the van. That's the only way to mount it. I guess you could glue it in if you wanted to, but glue is not provided in the kit. So this is a 5 or 7 piece design that is going to fur out your van from kind of this middle point here at about 60 inches down to the middle section of the van at about 23 inches. And the idea is that it's just going to flatten everything out. So this one installs here, and it's just going to give us a nice flat space for our wall kit to mount to. This is a place that we normally fur out with wood, and we thought we would want to make something a little more consistent for our use here in the shop, as well as for you installers at home, so you can get a more consistent setup with your wall kit. So let's take a look at each individual piece before we install them. This one here is our driver's side B-pillar support, and that's gonna mount up here against your seatbelt column, the B-pillar. It's gonna line up with a hole here at the top, and then it's gonna line up with a hole down here at the bottom. We have a couple of holes that are already put in here that we can use our self-tappers for, and we can just install that directly here. It's gonna take up this gap. That's kind of a funny gap to finish to with your wall kit, and it's just gonna support that wall kit here. Our driver's side C-pillar is going to mount right here in the middle of the van, and you can see there's 2 alignment holes here at the top, a couple of alignment holes here at the bottom, and then there's spots to screw it into this pillar along the sides and along the top corners here. Now this just corrects this curvature here in the van, and what we normally do is we fur this out with a piece of 1/4 inch Baltic birch and a little piece of 1/2 inch Baltic birch, and we just want to remove this curve. Otherwise our wall kit gets sucked into this area, and it makes cabinets fit funny, everything fits a little bit funny. So this is probably the most important piece of the kit right here on your driver's side, and it's pretty simple install. The D-pillar driver's side support is here at the back, has an alignment hole here at the top that's going to align to this here, and then there's another alignment hole here at the bottom that's going to line up at the bottom, and that's just going to span this funny little curvature here at the back of the van where you might end up with a screw in this spot and it's not going to hold anything in. This is a good spot if you wanted to add like a USB, something like that, or if you're doing innies, you know, you could use this as a support for that as well. But it just lines up in this rear spot, and it gives you another spot to screw those panels into. Over here on the passenger side D-pillar, it's an exact mirror of our driver's side support. So the same thing, just mounts up here in the very back, super simple. All right, our last support is the C-pillar passenger support, and this one installs over the doorway and gets rid of this curvature right here as well. This is one of the more tricky spots to finish out because your wall kit's gonna get pulled in really tight, and you see that edge because it's right here next to the door. So this is a really nice one for the passenger side. Alignment holes top and bottom, very simple to install, and then screws along the inside edge here and a couple around the front face. Since we're in a long body van and not an extended, there's one extra piece that is available for the kit if you wanted it, but we don't have it for this van, and that is what we call the C+ support. The C+ support just spans in the middle between our C-pillar and our D-pillar here at the back, and it's a vertical support that you can kind of float around anywhere you want here. Now if you want that extra support in a long body van, you can certainly order it and install it with your kit, but we designed it around an extended van so that we can bridge between the 2 panels on this rear section of an extended van. It just screws in underneath here and on top of this, and that support can float around anywhere here that you need it to go. So if you want it in front of maybe some innie sleepers, it can go there. If you wanted it at the back to support something else you have going on and you're extended, it can go there. It fits any size van you want, so if you want it in a long body van or an extended van, you can do that, but it's not needed in a long body setup. Now that we've explained all the pieces of the kit, let's go ahead and get these installed in the van. Hey everybody, thanks for watching our install today. If you want to pick up this aluminum framing kit for yourself, go ahead and use the link in the description below. If you want to get a van professionally built by AVC, there's a link in the description for that as well. If you learned something today, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next episode.